Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to select certain things in my Excel sheet. Okay, this is you want to select a part of cells, you can select this way. Okay, or you want to select everything whatever you enter, you can select this way, or drag and drop, drag and keep pressing the mouse and select it. Only one cell this way, second cell you can move to the second cell, but don't release the pressing. So you keep pressing and select. Okay. Or you want to select a particular row, just click on the row. For example, see number 6. Now I'm selecting a row of 10. So you want to select a set of rows, you can select this way. Okay. Just click and keep moving without releasing the mouse button. Okay. Or you want to select the columns, again you see the arrow mark here and select this way. Okay. Or if you see the horizontal arrow, then you can select the horizontal way. Vertical arrow, vertical way. Okay. Or you can also do one thing. You want to select everything on the sheet, press Ctrl A. See, just to Ctrl A gives you selecting the whatever region you have typed in. If you have typed in the whole thing, then it will give you the whole region. Okay. Or very shortcut is just go here in the corner and press this button. You will select the whole sheet. Okay. This is the way you keep selecting the cells and the columns. Okay. Now you want to select multiple rows, not in the middle rows. If that is the case, you select this one, then press Ctrl and select the other row. Now I want to select row 9. Keep pressing the Ctrl and select the row. Okay, the same thing for the column also. Select one column, then you want the column C, then press Ctrl and select the column, the next column. This the way you can select different columns without selecting the column in between. You want to select all the columns first, keep selecting, keep pressing the button and select. Okay. This is the techniques you use to select cells, columns, rows, and the rows. Okay. Good day.